Good morning. I'm getting ready to head out to go rescue a Kioti tractor from a golf course. Don't know what model or what's wrong with it yet, but we'll get there. Oh! Well, we got the Kioti loaded up with that backhoe over there. Looking pretty good. Let's get her on home and get to seeing what's going on with this thing. Alright, we just pulled up to the shop with this Kioti. It's a Dk45s. It's a four-wheel drive, 45 horsepower. So it's been sitting 3 years at the golf course. And we checked all the fluids and just stuck a battery with some charge in there. We're going to go ahead and try to crank it up. See what happens.
Fingers crossed.
A little smoky. Well, it runs. We'll see what happens. Oh, steering's starting to work a little bit. Let's see if we have any gears. You got, hey, the front shifter. Oh, you got it in gear? Let the clutch out. Oh boy, she's moving. What'd you put her in, granny gear?
Oh yeah, all the way. I want to roll the high gear.
Sorry for the slow motion.
Got one more gear than this. I can hop on and walk around this thing.
Alright, so we've decided that the PTO and lift seems to have been the reason this tractor was parked. So we'll dig into that a little deeper here in the near future.